My name is Timo Toots. I'm an artist from Estonia, and I'm working mostly with technology. My works are usually talking about technology as a topic, but also using the technological means to tell the story. Waste is not really a new thing for me. I have really strong memories from my childhood with waste. I remember going to the junkyards and sorting through the different materials, and there was something that was really drawing me to the waste. And one of the ways I work with waste is also looking through the history and seeing the waste in ideas. I sometimes use it as a raw material as well in the works, but mostly I think it's more of a inspirational thing to see the technology that we used in the past and how we behaved in the past and how now these things change so fast. Through these objects we can see how we ourselves are changing. The project that I'm making for WasteArt is called the Electrosauna. Lately I have been working with the idea of a sauna. Well, the sauna that I have, this smoke sauna, it's a pretty old tradition in Estonia, and to have a sauna like this you also connect to a domain of another era. It's somehow a time machine, I would say. The ways people have used the smoke sauna in the past, I think it all creates quite a strong cultural experience. So these traditions and ways of behaving, I'm trying to create new types of behaving and new types of traditions in this new sauna. And this sauna is called Electrosauna because it's filled with electronic trash. I was going through all of the electronic trash for 3 months that was gathered in the Valmiera recycling center. I basically took item by item all the things that people threw away during this short period of time. Like maybe this is also like the waste of idea, that you had the idea that you really need this device for this short moment, but then it's just discarded. So many of these things could be definitely reused. This part of the consumption line is not really visible. After you throw away an object, then it's disappearing from your physical world. And I think this Electrosauna is trying to be this kind of a link to this other domain. All of the history of these gadgets, like where they were made and by whom they were made and by whom they were used and for what reason they were used and for what reason they were discarded and now they end up in this space full of memories. It might be like a little afterlife of these gadgets.